Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15 on Parrot Security OS 7.2. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Parrot Security OS 7.2, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on this download for Linux. Then select the location to save this file. I am going to select downloads directly only. Then click on save. See, download started and its size is about 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip this zip file and then we will execute Tor Browser. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now unzip this zip file tar-xf, then tar, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder, ls. Now execute this file. Don't give sudo or run with root account, just give ./start, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. See, we got the Tor Browser. If you want to always connect automatically, just you need to turn on and you have to connect, or turn off. Okay, then click on connect. See, it is establishing connection. Now verify the version. Help, about Tor Browser. See, we have installed 15.0. okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0.14 on Parrot Security OS 7.2. okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.